Hey, what's up guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Before I wrap this video up, I wanted to ask you if traveling the world and shooting content is something you'd be interested in doing as a career. Hands down, the biggest thing that I'm grateful for in life is having a job that allows me to travel, experience new cultures, meet new people, tell stories, and of course fly drones in really cool spots all over the world. Right now I'm down in Mexico just wrapping up a 5-day photo video workshop where 8 people came from all over the country to learn photography and videography. And getting the opportunity to help other people do what they love for their career is honestly the most rewarding thing that I do. But not everyone can make these in-person workshops, so I created an online resource that basically teaches the fundamentals of traveling the world with your camera or drone. I called it Creator Academy Lite, and it basically establishes all the basic fundamentals you need to make a living with your camera. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to hit the link down below in the description. My DMs are also open, but other than that, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.